Have you ever wondered why menstruation happens every month? What causes ovulation? And how does the body prepare for pregnancy? The menstrual cycle is a remarkable process controlled by hormones that prepares a woman's body for reproduction. In this video, we'll explore the menstrual cycle step by step using detailed 3D animation. The menstrual cycle mainly involves the ovaries and the uterus. The ovaries contain thousands of immature eggs and produce the hormones estrogen and progesterone. The uterus develops a thick inner lining called the endometrium, where a fertilized egg can implant and grow into a baby. The menstrual cycle is controlled by 4 major hormones. The pituitary gland in the brain releases follicle-stimulating hormone, or FSH, and luteinizing hormone, or LH. These hormones stimulate the ovaries. In response, the ovaries produce estrogen and progesterone, which regulate changes in the uterus. The menstrual cycle begins on the first day of menstrual bleeding. If pregnancy has not occurred during the previous cycle, hormone levels fall, causing the uterine lining to break down and shed. This results in menstrual bleeding, which usually lasts 3 to 7 days. While menstruation is occurring, the ovaries begin preparing the next egg. FSH stimulates several follicles to grow, but usually only one becomes dominant. As this follicle matures, it produces increasing amounts of estrogen. Estrogen rebuilds the uterine lining, making it thicker and richer in blood vessels. Around the middle of a typical 28-day cycle, estrogen reaches its peak. This triggers a sudden surge of LH. The LH surge causes the mature follicle to rupture, releasing the egg from the ovary. This process is called ovulation. The egg enters the fallopian tube, where it may be fertilized if sperm are present. After ovulation, the empty follicle transforms into a structure called the corpus luteum. It produces large amounts of progesterone and some estrogen. Progesterone prepares the uterine lining for implantation by making it thick, soft, and rich in nutrients. If the egg is fertilized in the fallopian tube, it develops into a zygote and begins dividing into many cells. Several days later, it reaches the uterus and implants into the endometrium. Pregnancy begins, and the body continues producing hormones to support the developing embryo. If fertilization does not occur, the corpus luteum gradually breaks down. Progesterone and estrogen levels fall, causing the uterine lining to detach and shed. Menstruation begins, and a new cycle starts. Let's review the menstrual cycle. During menstruation, the old uterine lining is shed. During the follicular phase, a new egg matures, and the uterine lining rebuilds. Ovulation releases the egg. During the luteal phase, progesterone prepares the uterus for pregnancy. If pregnancy does not occur, hormone levels fall, and the cycle begins again. The menstrual cycle is a natural and essential process that prepares the body for pregnancy each month. Understanding this cycle helps explain fertility, pregnancy, and many common reproductive health conditions. If you enjoyed this 3D medical animation, please like this video, subscribe to Dr. Asela, and turn on notifications for more educational videos on anatomy, physiology, and medical science.